Hello student, welcome to Sourceboard learning session on photosynthesis from science subject. Sourceboard is one of the leading names which helps students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skill. So let's start our class. Today our topic is photosynthesis. After learning this, we'll come to know the process through which plants makes the food. So let's start our class. Can anybody tell what this picture shows? Yes, some person are cooking over here. So our topic is also about the cooking, but not the human, those who are cooking. It's all about the plants, how the plants will cook and make the food for themselves. So today our topic is photosynthesis. So the definition of photosynthesis is the process through which plants use water and carbon dioxide to create their foods, grow, and release excess oxygen into the air. Photosynthesis uses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce oxygen, glucose, and water. So all about will come to know that photosynthesis is the process through which plants makes his food, and what are the things plants need to make the foods, or it will release the oxygen to the atmosphere. First thing is the water, the soil. Second one is the heat from the sun, and the carbon dioxide which is already present in the atmosphere. It also a process by which green plants and certain other organisms transfer light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis, in green plant, the light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide, minerals into the oxygen and energy-rich organic compound. You already know from the definition that plants use the sunlight also. Okay, so that is a light energy, and at the output of the photosynthesis, we are getting the glucose, oxygen. It's nothing but a chemical energy. So it is one of the process through which light energy is converted to the chemical energy also. So now let's see pictorially how the process is happening. See, you can see a plant, correct? Having some green leaves, roots and all. So how the photosynthesis take place? What are the process? First, the plant take water and minerals from the soil through root. You know, the root will be inside the soil. So from the soil, you can see the plants is taking minerals and water for making the food. And secondly, it takes the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. You know, when we'll breathe out, we release carbon dioxide. That will be absorbed by the plant for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, the next third step, sun gives chlorophyll to make the food to the plant. The, then what is the meaning of chloroplast? Chloroplast is the green plant cells which has the chlorophyll substances, and the chlorophyll is used in the photosynthesis process to make the food or to make the oxygen or glucose which the plants will make in the process of photosynthesis. So you can see in the picture also, first it is taking the minerals and water from the soil or the ground. Next, it will getting the carbon dioxide from the air and release the oxygen from the sun. It is taking the chloroplast. Sun will give the sunlight, will give the chloroplast, which will use to make the food or sugar or the oxygen or the glucose substances. Okay. So now I read photosynthesis. Why it is necessary? What is the importance of this? Photosynthesis is important to living organism because it is the number one source of energy in the atmosphere. Green plant and trees use photosynthesis to make food from sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water in atmosphere. It is the primary source of energy. So, what is the basic need? What we are getting? We are getting oxygen. Okay, and for all our living organism, oxygen is how much necessary. Without oxygen, can we survive? No. So that we are getting through the process of photosynthesis. So it is very, very important for us also and for the environment also and all other living organisms also. So watch us on our YouTube channel. Thank you for today. Have a nice day to all of you.